Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hopefully you guys are doing well. Uh, so first of all, thank you very much for 1000 subscriber. This is a big achievement for me that you helped me reach my first goal. So this video is about that I'm gonna unbox the studio lights that I bought. It's been so long, I did not get time to make a video about them. So today I'm gonna show you the studio light that I bought, and from now on I'm gonna use them for the next videos whenever I'm gonna make, so there will be no issue of light. As you can see right now it's pretty dark. I'm recording this in the basement and the light is very bad, so I have to stay um, on certain locations so my face looks clear in the video. So without any delay, let me show you what I have bought for the studio. Okay guys, so I'm gonna open this box and see what we have got. So I have two boxes which are same. This must be light, the studio lights. तो चलिए ये आपको दिखाते हैं फर्स्ट लाइट कनेक्ट करके. Okay guys, the light has been set up. I just set up one light and let me show you. Now check this out. So according to their picture and video, lights are not that bright. I'm very disappointed with the result because they're supposed to be very bright, but they are not. So let me just set up the other one and let's see how the both will look like. If I turn off the light, how will be the brightness? Let me check. Okay guys, so these are the lights. I think for me this is just a waste of money. I was expecting way too much brightness out of these and they are not bright at all. I don't know why did I even bother myself to buy these, but in the picture and video they showed they were looking a lot brighter than in the reality. Now look at this, there is actually not that much light. If I record video of myself here, it's not gonna be that bright. So these are the lights as you can see. So obviously this is just unboxing video so you guys have an idea to not buy these. So or you can do is buy the high voltage bulb, so they might be brighter, but I have to see the user manual and see what I can do with them, because this is not bright at all. Even the light is off. Let me record myself in the light of these lights and see what's the result. Okay guys, so this is the setup. As you can see, this is the stand that I bought, and it's pretty long. And you can see the reason I'm showing you this, because you can see the length, and it is pretty strong as well. It's like 40 bucks, and I bought it from Amazon. And this green screen, I have been having it for so long. I bought it from different city, different country actually. So this stick is also come with this stand, and you can increase the length of it. This length I think is maybe like 8 or 7 feet long, and it's pretty long actually. If you want to increase, you can add this rod as well, and it will probably cover the whole wall. And the lights, the light, I don't see they are very bright, but when I come in the video looks pretty clear, so I think they works fine. So let me just show you how I look in front of that green screen with those lights on. And as you can see, I'm in the basement and there is no other light at all, so I'm using these two light only, so you guys can be a judge how they work and if they're suitable for you or not. Let me just show you myself in the video. Okay guys, so as you can see right now I am between these two lights. It's actually hard to set up them so you won't see the shadow in the back. I don't know, there is something different between two of them, because this light has a direct light that is coming on top of me. As you can see, if I go like this, you'll probably see the shadow in the back. So from this side, as you can see, the left side is fine, but as you can see in the right side, you'll probably see a little bit shadow. I'm unable to set up this one because this one is feel a little bit difference, because you can clearly see a lot of shadow on my face. Okay, if I do like this, so like this, it's much better. But let me see. As you can see the shadow is right behind me. If I let me make the light a little bit higher and see how it's gonna look. Okay, so as you can see, right here I am directly behind these lights. I think right here is fine. If I go a little bit down, I guess I can reduce the shadow of me. Let me see. Okay, it went all the way down. Okay, so right here, as you can see, I'm using only one light. If I use two light on me, you can see if I stay in the middle, you will probably able to see two shadow in my back. It's very easy to see, but the face looks clear. Actually I reached conclusion very fast in the first clip that they are not bright enough, but I think they are bright enough. If they are like very close to you, they looks fine. I think the brightness is good. The only thing is you have to be like set them up on very on certain positions, so you won't see your shadow in the back, as you can see. But I think for to eliminate that shadow in the back, you can have one more light, which is they come with it, the third light. I think if you put that in the back or maybe in the side, the back shadow should be gone. Let me just set up the third one and see how it's gonna be, how I can remove this the background shadow. Let me do this, put this on side. See, as soon as I turn this side, I can clearly see my shadow. So I have to see where I should set up those lights and the shadow will not come. Let me set up the third one and see if I can remove the shadow. Okay guys, so now the third one is also on, but I don't see it's very helpful. I have to see actually user manual, so how they set up the lights. Right now actually I'm using the hand to hold the phone because the stand I have, the tripod, is not long enough to reach the height as mine, so the video will be like, the camera looks like it's down and I'm standing tall, so I have to hold it on my hand. And this could be also the reason that I have shadow in the video, because my hand is like front of the light that is coming on my face, I guess down, so that's why it's a little bit dark on my face. If I see one light, the one light I think is brighter than the other one. I don't know why, because all the bulbs are the same, but I think it's pretty good. It's not that bad. Every light is off. It was very dark in the basement and I'm recording here, and I think it looks pretty fine, pretty much good. So it's not that expensive as well. It's like 67 bucks, so I think for that they are not that bad at all. So what you can do is you can just increase the bulb voltage. You can buy the different one which is more brighter, and it will probably record a better video and you will look better in the video. So I'm gonna wrap up the video. Hope you guys like the video, and hopefully it helped you to decide if you want to buy these or not. I think they are very helpful if you gonna record the video while sitting right in front of the table. The one light will be enough. Even if the room is fully dark, that should be enough. And I'm recording also with the phone, so it's pretty bright. I think the result is not that bad, as you can see. So hopefully it helps you. Thank you very much for watching. लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब करें अगर वीडियो पसंद आए तो। चलो फ्यूचर में और भी बहुत सारे प्लान हैं, so that's why I have all these things ordered. So stay safe, stay tuned. Allah Hafiz.